So this is our discussion, an introduction into Chapter 2, which is about the planning process. And we want to take a look at internet integration. So our video link will take us there. So when we're talking about this internet integration, and this is video number 4 in Chapter 2, as I alluded to, we want to talk a little bit about the topic, give you some direction in regard to that, and then hit on some key points as we've done in many of these introduction videos. So chapter 2 on internet integration, first and foremost, is about value creation. And so when we're looking at building our plans or the planning process, we have to understand that value creation is one of the steps into competitive advantage. And so we establish the grounds for a deeper discussion on strategy as a result of this. So we're looking at internet capture, we're looking at a SWOT based upon the internet for sustainability, the internet anticipation, so gathering information from our competitors to learn as much as we can about them and about our own business. So there's a fluidity that's here. Internet accessibility, so bring offerings to the internet that our competitors can't touch and create uniqueness. And then internet leadership, so how we maximize our effort for the entire organization. A lot of those factors and many others help us build this value creation. And of course, from there, we've got to differentiate ourselves. So this gives us a competitive advantage that we're looking for, and we talk more about that in a different chapter. E-commerce and e-business, really not one or the other, more looking at the facilitation of both and then the integration of both, one kind of being the face or the front end of your business, and then the back end being, or excuse me, the other being the back end or security side of that. So these perspectives will change based upon which class you're in. So if I'm creating value from a business standpoint, it might look slightly different if I'm doing it from a marketing perspective, or if I'm managing my value creation, it might look a little different from how I might build my diversity valuation. So notice those distinctions and understand that at the same time, they operate in their separate silos. They have to somehow merge and come together overall in the planning process. So here's some direction. If you're in Management 362, really the principles in management and leadership, look at the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel, look for the playlist, and make sure that you're lined up on Chapter 2 video. Management 372, which is a human relations and organizational behavior piece, course. So make sure you look there as well. Business 300, which is the Introduction to Business course. Business 330, which is the Managing Diversity in the Workplace course. And then Marketing 300, which really centers around the principles of marketing. And if you have questions about those, feel free to touch base with me. So a couple of key points that are always important in this process and this learning. Each class that I've listed previously has its own set of distinct and unique videos. And so the video structure is designed for you to be able to reach and get to those videos whenever you need to. So they're available on YouTube 24/7. And if you have the textbook, you can use the Digimark app. It's free to you. It allows you to view the videos by linking the textbook to the video content. You can use your smartphone, Android, iPad, iPhone. All of those compatibilities should be good for you, although they're not 100% fail-safe, because as you know, with technology, not everything is perfect. Motivate the World, the website is one area where you can pull the necessary resources and links to navigate through the class, and includes your assignments, your forums, quizzes, basic foundation information. And then the YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/motivate the world, that's where the video lectures are housed. So Management 372, 62, Marketing 300, and then Business 300 and Business 330. Always ask questions so I can get back to you if you have a challenge or concern or just need some additional assistance. And you can see the two contact mediums to get a hold of me by email or by phone.